beauties, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. So this is just going to be another client tutorial, as you can see, and I am going to start posting a lot more videos of my client tutorials because y'all, they really be bomb. Like, if y'all don't know, go ahead and follow me on Instagram at Touch by Skin. So right now I'm using this brow pencil, and I think it's in like brown or ebony, by JUVIUS Place Collection. Now I am taking this concealer by JUVIUS. Oh my god, my daughter. Sorry. But I am taking this concealer in JUVIUS Place Collection also to go ahead and add some highlight. So as you can see, I kind of like put the concealer on my hands. I like to do that to kind of like warm up the concealer. Also, I like to use two concealers, a lighter one where the arch is, and then like one that is like similar to her skin complexion in the front, if not darker, just to give it more of a natural glow. Now at the top, I just use, it just depends on the look. Sometimes I can go a little bit lighter, sometimes I can go closer to their skin complexion. So right here it looks like I'm just going more closer to her skin complexion, and I'm doing that on both sides. Can we just get into the eyebrows? I mean, it's just giving. Like, I just love everything about doing eyebrows. It just makes the whole look for me. Definitely. So now I am taking a moisturizer to just kind of like moisturize her face. She did mention that she had more on the oily side, so I try to use something that's like prone to the skin, and I did use a primer by e.l.f. to prime the face, and now I'm just working on the eyes. Y'all, I'm sorry about my daughter. As soon as I start talking, she starts to yell, and I'm just trying to get through this video for y'all. So this is a soft glam, so I am doing just a soft cut crease, and I am using my Morphine palette. Next, I am taking my NYX eyeliner. This is a liquid liner, so you do want to be extremely careful and to make sure that your client's eyes stay closed the entire time until it dries. Now I'm taking some black shade in the Morphine palette, and I'm just smoking out the ends to give it more of that, I don't know, better look. Oh how don't we just love us some foundation? Well, I know I love me some foundation, and I am taking my Too Faced foundation. I am using 2 different colors, so I do like to use 2 different shades when applying the foundation, just because I feel like it gives it more of like a realistic skin complexion. Also, I like to let the foundation sit for a little bit sometimes. If it's not like a matte foundation, of course you want to work quickly with mattes, but this isn't a matte, so I was able to just let it sit, and then I like to kind of like just tap it in just to give it like that full coverage. So you don't want to like be pressing and swiping, you just literally want to press it into the skin, like tap it into the skin. Now I will be putting everything in the description box as far as like the products that I use. I am going to go ahead and let the video play out from this point on. I am going to insert a little bonus clip at the end, so make sure you guys check that clip out. It's just another look that I did on my client that I was unable to film, but the look was so bomb. And you guys, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram so that you guys can always see like what I'm doing and things that I am getting into.